I am a bunny and I love to run around, play, and dig. I am a cow and I love to run and chase my friends. Oh, and I also like to eat a lot of grass. Yum! I am a butterfly and I love to sip nectar from flowers and juice from fruits. Yummy! I am a dog and I love to run, swim, jump, sniff, eat, and roll. I am a peacock and I love to show my colorful feathers. I am a frog and I love to swim, jump, and play. I am a sheep and I love to eat a lot of grass and run around and play. I am a pig, oink oink, and I love to roll in the mud. I am a horse and I love to run really fast. I am a donkey and I love to eat carrot, apples, and bananas. I am a goat and I like to climb and explore. I am a turkey and I like to sleep in the trees. I am a camel and I like to drink and store a lot of water. I am a rooster and I love to make a lot of noise. I am a duck and I love to swim in the water. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure you subscribe my channel to see more of these videos. Bye bye.